Hey babes, welcome back to another self-care video. So I don't want to waste any time. I just want to jump right into it. So this is going to be, as you guys can see by the title, my nighttime routine. And I am going to be using my oil-based cleanser, which I use for my face and my body. And then go in with the honey and almond body wash. This stuff smells so good. I've been into coconut smells and honey almond smells. I just think it smells so good on the body, and it's definitely long lasting. Of course, you can't forget to go in with the foot scrub. Like I said, these already come with the soap already inside the scrub. So you just wet it, and then one side is the soft side, and then one other side is the scrubbing side. And now I'm just going in with my Kapari body butter and my shea butter. Now the shea butter is more so for the moisture, and as I said before in my last video, the Kapari is more so for the fragrance. But those two together, oh my god, they're both shea butters, so they go really, really good together. And everything that I'm using in this video I will put in the description box. And now for my nighttime skincare, I am again going in with the Bioderm oil-based cleanser, which I am now also using on my face. So I just go in with that for a couple of seconds, maybe more than that, about a minute. I really take my time. Like I said, I take my time washing my face. I really, really love to get in there. And once I rinse this off, you guys, I do use my clean skin towels, and I really, really love these towels. I've actually found a better price for some clean skin towels, so I will make sure I definitely put those in the description box for you guys. And now I'm going in with the Mario Badescu exfoliating scrub. Now I do use this every night at nighttime. They say use it 1 to 3 times a week, but it hasn't hurt my face at all, and it's definitely helped. And I found that I break out less using this because, as you guys know, dead skin and all of that can cause acne as well, and this definitely helps fight that. And now I'm going in with the Non-Buzzing Korean toner. This toner is definitely great for the skin as well. Helps with pores, also helps with hyperpigmentation, and that's what I've really been trying to tackle, is basically my hyperpigmentation and those dark spots as well from acne spots as well. And then once I put on the toner, I let it sit for about a minute or so and use my fan to let it all sink in. And then I go in with my vitamin C serum capsules. Now you are to use at least 1 to 2 of these every night, and I typically use 2 of these. It has also helped my skin so well. And what this does is just basically brightens the skin and also keeps it nice and plump and keeps your skin looking young and healthy. And then after I rub the last capsule in, I am going to be going in with my Glow Recipes serum, which consists of niacinamide and definitely helps with hyperpigmentation and also dark spots, and then just overall giving the skin a beautiful glow. And then once I rub that in, get that worked into my skin really well, I am going to be going in with the Mario Badescu facial spray, which is great moisturizer for your face. And then once I'm done with my skincare routine, you guys, I head right over to the kitchen to take my vitamin supplements, which these are all good supplements for the inside and also your skin. And then I am going to be making a jambalaya tonight. So I already prepped my shrimp. It's already deveined and everything, cleaned really well. So I am making jumbo shrimp with the beef smoked sausage because I do not eat pork. And I do spice up my jambalaya as well because I love spicy food. This is actually one of my favorite things to make. Ooh, it's just so good. And then after this, I'm just gonna pour me a glass of wine, which this wine is the Ménage à Trois, which you can get from your local Target. And this will be the end of my nighttime routine, you guys. Make sure you go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and hit your post notification bells. And I will see you guys in my next video.